What we have here today is something really basic, huh? What we have here is a Heritage Spector ceiling fan, and it is installed here at my mom's friend's brother's house. And basically, I'm gonna go ahead and basically, this is basically how the fan how it works. So basically, the fan is connected to this light right here. So it just goes on a switch. We'll go ahead and turn on the fan for you now. So this is a switch. And here we go. It's on high. I don't want to run it too long. Oops. Basically, this is the bathroom here. Basically, a very small bathroom. So basically, got a light right here controlling the fan. Where it's basically hooked up into one switch. It's a cool fan. It's like, there we go. Turn back on again. It's on noise. We'll go ahead and turn it off now. Alright. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.